What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all, it's time, man. It's time. Finna jump back out there. We in the car with bro. We in traffic, man. We in traffic out here, Oklahoma, man. Trying to get back on it, y'all. Got a potential flip. I ain't gonna run my mouth too much to y'all or whatever, but we got a potential project, a flip project. We finna go look at. We drove 2 hours. I've drove a combined like 4.5 hours to come down here and look at this vehicle. So hope it's gonna be it. Y'all please bear with me. Hopefully I can get y'all some footage when we get there and everything. But if not, it'll be after we, but I'm gonna have something to show y'all. But we are 8 minutes away. I'll tap in with y'all when we get a little bit closer or at the dealership. So, it's her. Not his name. Yeah, y'all. Welcome back to the next clip. We are out here at the location where the potential new flip is at and located. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you, I just know that I'm finna just look at some old bull. I just know it. Dash. Hey, from where it's sitting right now, I don't know, fool. I don't know. It don't look too savvy. For real whole time. That's where they keep all every single last one of them. Yep, every single last one of them mugs. I was looking at something.
3 home.
By a pole. Wow.
That's that Subi.
Yep. And guys, here you go. What do you think, Ed? First look. You're looking like. First thing I'm looking at. It's gone. We'll have to find some kind of cab corner. You see the cab corner? What you think about that? On the back, we need a tailgate. Different colored door panels. I mean, it ain't just horrible in the inside. Oh yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be too hard to acquire. When it's the same color though. Plus, it's got power. Yeah, that's gonna be a booger there. I ain't gonna lie. It ain't on the gas tank leak, do it? Look at that. Dang, I didn't even record them that. I don't even know I was recording. I'm finna be on the way with you. Hold on, bro. I don't know why that was unplugged. This is an engine. It's dirty. EGR truck. This is 02. Stuff. So it's got hood pins on it for whatever reason, but I don't know. As long as it run, cruise control cable is broke. The engine look like it's a working engine for sure. It's just dirty. Most of the time it's the dirty ones that run the best. So So there's the damage on the side right there. I think that's gonna be the biggest issue of ours there. His bed, look like it's a little dented right there. Might be able to pull that out or something a little bit. But if we can find a deal on the bed, we might just buy a whole new bed, because we may do better off just by doing that. If we can find a lick on one. But I didn't get that recorded a while ago. What you think, Ed?
Alright, got a work cut out for sure. A lot of potential.
Yeah, I agree. I said we gotta see what they talking about, man. We did talk about a little budget, so we'll see how that goes. But that's definitely gonna be something to look at. Let's go over here and see what we can do.
One hour later.
Ed, what is it looking like, bro?
Done deal. Sold.
To the highest bidder. So, guys, got the paperwork here. I have to sew y'all up a little bit. You know, it was for sure, well, not what we expected, to say the least, but it turned around. It turned around a little bit for us. So we ain't gonna be taking it with us today. We ain't gonna be driving it back with us today, which was our original plan, but that didn't happen. So we ended up looking up, and they gonna transport it for us to back home. So that's what's gonna happen with that. They did say that the truck don't run. They said that the truck don't run at first. They couldn't find the key. I think it's a body shop guy that work here trying to hoard the key and stuff. So anyway, you know, they said, well, you know, I'll elaborate more about the whole running and driving and the condition and everything, but once over and look at it and let y'all know what we looking at, man. You know what I mean? This is gonna be it. So yeah, man. It's not horrible inside. You know, unlike my truck, I'm pretty sure mine don't have that. I don't think I got a trans cooler on my truck, so I think this thing got a trans cooler, which is a very good sign, because, you know, be less temperatures. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. We're gonna see what's up. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a better look inside and everything now, since we done said yay to it. So I mean, it's not horrible in the inside. Just gonna need a little bit of TLC, but so I hope y'all can see it. But yeah, man, headliner, gonna need some headliner. But this is a GMC, so y'all know these are the luxury ones. So unlike my truck, we ain't got roll up windows. We got power windows, power locks, and stuff of that nature. So yeah, let's see if this door closed. Oh, okay, so the door closed, so that's good. Like I said, the body looks straight for the most part. Frame don't look tweaked. Whole side of it is pretty. Pretty straight, but yeah, man, that's good. Latch. So yeah, we can't really get on that side of that because they butted up the truck against this doggone Mercury right here. So yeah, man, we'll tap in with y'all on the next one, man. So the guy ain't gonna see this, but appreciate you, Caden, for looking out for your boy. But yeah, man, Muscle Edition signing out, man. Yes, sir.